Hi everyone, and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a mini Grove haul. I just got of their spring products and trying a couple new things, so I just wanted to show you real quick. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so here's my box. I'm going to be opening this up. They usually sent the invoice and put that on top. I have 9 items here. Alright, so the first one is this microfiber all-purpose cloth. This was free. This was a gift. I'm not sure. I know that they do free gifts throughout the year, so I think this was just one of them. I was able to choose the color, and you know, these are always handy. So I picked the slate gray one. Yeah. When I first started with Grove, which was over a year ago, I got 3 of them. So this is actually a 2-pack. So that's surprising. So there's 2 of them for free. So yeah, that's awesome. The next item that I got was this detail brush. You know, I figured this would come in handy. You can always use an old toothbrush. The thing that I saw was this little scraper at the end. So if you saw my last cleaning video, you saw me using, is actually one of my knives, but it's a very rounded knife to get a bunch of pancake batter off of my counters. So I wanted to get this because it is a rubber end, but it is hard enough to probably get those really tough things off. And then plus the little brush on the end I can use just for very small areas. Well, not like super small, but it says it's perfect for sink drains, faucets, shower doors, appliances, and edges. So that's what I'm going to be using this one for. I saw these. I'm not sure if they're new, but I've never bought this before. So these are Method all-purpose wipes, and in my favorite scent of theirs is the lime and sea salt. Just like the spray, but in a wipe, obviously. So that's how many are in there. It comes with 30 wet wipes, and yeah, it smells like lime and sea salt. So we'll give this a try. So other things that I got, I'm not sure if you can see it because the light is really bright, but it's the lavender essential oil. And then I also got a peppermint one. So we use these in our diffusers a lot, and peppermints are always a good scent to have, I think, throughout the year. And lavender is super relaxing. So I got these 2. And these are glass straws. So probably a few months ago, I bought their bamboo straws, and we've been really liking them. They came with a little brush to clean them out with, and they're super easy to clean and everything. But I saw the glass ones, and I thought that'd be a little bit more aesthetically pleasing and maybe a little bit smaller, because the bamboo ones are pretty thick, pretty round. So we will try these. There are 4 of them, and it does come with a straw cleaner as well. Oh goodness. Oh, they're actually pretty big too, just like the bamboo ones, but that's okay. So, and they are actually bent, and there's a straw cleaner, so let me take one out. Okay, so they are bent. I think they have a choice with straight or bent, and I chose the bent ones, but yeah, we'll give these a try and hopefully they don't break. We'll see. So there's 4 of them, and okay, I'm actually gonna have to email them because I am missing a cleaner. I ordered the Mrs. Meyer's peony scent. I really like this one. I also have the room spray, and this is the second one, the second bottle I have, so I kind of wanted to stock up on those. Got the lilac scent, and I got this one last year and I really liked it. I got it in the dish soap and the hand soap. I really like this scent. So I wanted to make sure I had some. And then I ordered a mint one as well, but it is not in the box. So I'm going to be emailing them. And hopefully it's coming, or they're going to send me one right away. Actually, I've never had an issue with them. This is the first time I've ever had any problem with any of my orders. So their customer service is pretty good as far as response time. And I'm sure that they will send that to me and I will let you guys know. I hope that you enjoyed this really small mini Grove haul. I'm going to be trying out these new products and I will let you know how they're doing. If you like these type of videos, hauls from Grove or anywhere, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, you can hit the red subscribe button and tap the bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. I upload weekly, at least once a week, and I would love to have you here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Grove haul, I just got some of their spring product. Really? Aesthetically thought it'd be a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. Okay, so they don't break. We'll see. So there's 4 of them in there. And I would love to have you here on my YouTube channel.
I bet you think that I should call